Hello everyone, we're here today at Disney's Copper Creek Resort staying in a 3-bedroom grand villa. We're so excited. This room sleeps up to 12 adults and has plenty of space for everyone. We love the layout here.
Yeah, this is actually one of our favorite 3-bedroom grand villas. Kind of hard to pick just one that's your favorite because they're all a little bit different. But we love the layout here. We love the view. We love the theming and the resort, obviously. So we're really excited to show you this room.
Let's check it out.
Now, all of the grand villas here at Copper Creek are at the very end of the hallway. We're on the 3rd floor with our room, and there are 2 access doors to the villa. There's one over here on the right that leads right by the master bedroom, and then we have the main door over here on the left, and that's where we're going to go in to kind of the entryway foyer area. When we first walk in here, we've got a little wooden table, really cool looking, and they even built a rug into the floor. I mean, it's not a rug, it's still wood, but that's really cool looking. It looks like you have an entry rug right there. And then we've got some really nice Edison lights hanging up there and a mirror there on the wall. And then over to the right of that, we've got a small closet. This is where you're going to find your in-room safe built into the wall there. You've got a small closet rod and some extra blankets and pillows for that bed that is in the living room, the pull-out bed. And then on the wall next to that closet, we've got a couple gems here. Looks like some fool's gold and another little gem there. Sort of like what you'd find over at Fort Wilderness in the mining activity they have. Now our living room is kind of one big room with the living room and kitchen, since we have a galley style kitchen over here, and then the dining room across the way. Really, really spacious in here. Lots of space to spread out. We'll come back and take a better look at the living room here in just a moment. But in the kitchen area, we have a bar here with some bar stools right there behind it. We do have a full kitchen in here, as you would expect. We've got a full-size coffee maker, a stove and oven, a microwave. We've got a fridge and a freezer, and of course all of the things we need to cook and eat here in the villas. We've got glassware, we've got silverware, we've got pots and pans. Really anything you could need, we've got it here in the kitchen. We even have a dishwasher by the sink over here. I really like this kitchen. It seems kind of small at first blush, but really when you stand in here and work and cook, there's a lot of room in here, and it has this really cool pantry over here by the fridge. It slides out. I really like the use of the space there. Now across from the kitchen is our dining room, and where we'll find our first hidden Mickey here in this room. Those gears up there on the wall, at least I think it looks like a hidden Mickey. You let me know what you think, but I think at least a couple of those are definitely in the right shape. And this dining room table does seat up to 12 people because it is a 12-person room. So they've actually got room for everyone here at the table. It's a really cool solid wood table, and it's actually 2 tables. It's got the wood ties tying it together there. Really cool. Fits the theming really well, and it's a perfect table for this room with the size. Now we're going to head down the hall first and go look at the 3rd bedroom that's over here on this end of the room. So down here we've got a bedroom, but before we get to the bedroom, we do have the laundry room over here. And on one side we've got our iron and our ironing board, as well as our laundry basket. On the other side we've got a full-size washer and dryer stackable unit there, just like we have in all of the 1-bedroom villas and larger in the DVC resorts. Now, this bedroom in here has 2 queen-size beds. We've got the raised bed, so there's plenty of space underneath for luggage storage. And then on either side of the bed, we have these little nightstands and a little end table in between the beds that have these USB and wall outlets built in. So there's lots and lots of space here in this room to charge your devices between the little end tables on either side, or the nightstand in between, or the desk over here across the room. We've got a little desk there that also has some USB outlets built in and a little lamp. We do have a TV in here and a dresser as well. And there is a bathroom en suite. We'll go over and check that out in just a second. We have a balcony on this side over here. It's the only balcony on this side of the grand villa, so it's off of this bedroom. We've got a little balcony out here with a couple chairs and a table and a nice view of the pool. Of course, the higher floors, you're going to have a little bit better view. Here on the 3rd floor, though, still not a bad view. Now heading into the bathroom we've got over here. Looks like we got a piece of art on the wall that has kind of the story of Copper Creek, how it started, and a little bit of a history there overlaying that picture. Can't really read it all, but it's still fun. And this bathroom in here, very good sized bathroom and walk-in closet. We got the sliding barn door on the walk-in closet over there that has the full-length mirror on it. So we've got a walk-in closet in this bedroom with a little closet unit with some cubbies and shelves and closet rods. And then we have in the bathroom a single vanity with some storage down below. Lots of counter space in here and really, really good lighting with these lights up around the mirror and up above the mirror as well. And then we have in the corner, right above the toilet, a fun little piece of art that you may recognize as the totem poles that are out in the main lobby here at Wilderness Lodge. And there is a story behind each of those totem poles, which is really cool. And then this has a walk-in shower. You can see there are two shower heads in here. One is the detachable shower head. The other is that rainfall style shower head in the ceiling. And then we have the little bench there in the corner. And you do have the individual bottles of shampoo, conditioner, and body wash here. Now heading back out into the main part of the room, we'll check out the living room. Now the living room does have this big sectional in it, and one part of the sectional is a pull-out queen-size bed, so we can have a couple extra people here, giving us those 11th and 12th persons in the room. We have a little coffee table there in the middle of the room that is on wheels, so it moves really easily, and you can open it up and store things inside. So they've got little places to store stuff kind of tucked all around this room. And then here on the end table, we've got a lamp with, I guess, one of the rocks from the Copper Creek and Boulder Ridge dig sites here, with all the story of the railroad and construction that happened here. I guess that's where they got that from. And then we have a desk back here, a really nice desk with a couple USB outlets built into the desk, as well as another lamp up here on top of the desk. Now behind me, I don't know if you saw, there is another little door that goes out. You kind of have a balcony out here, not very big. Just kind of walk out there, just a little overlook at the corner of the building. But off to the side of the living room, we actually have a full balcony. And this is going to be facing the end of the building towards Bay Lake. And we do have a couple chairs and tables out here as well. And this goes over to the other side of the living room. But we've got a nice view of Bay Lake. You can't see as much through the trees. Of course, those higher floors are going to have a little bit better view. But when the sun comes up in the morning, you've got an absolutely beautiful view here. You can kind of see the sky changing colors over the lake there. And here in the living room, we have on the wall over here a giant flat screen TV. There is no Blu-ray or DVD player in here. If you'd like one, you do have to call down and ask, and they will be happy to bring you one up. But there isn't one here with the TV already in the room. And then on either side of the TV, we've got some storage. We've got shelves and little closets on either side. So anyone who happens to be staying here in the living room area on that pull-out couch does have somewhere to store their things. And then before we leave here, I just got to point out one little hidden Mickey on the end table right there. We've got a hidden Mickey on there. I mean, it's kind of obvious. It's right there, but it's really cute. And now we're going to head down the hallway towards the second bedroom and the master bedroom. So coming down the hallway here on my left, we have another bedroom. This is going to be another 2 queen beds in here. Again, raised up off the ground, so you have storage underneath for luggage and such. And then on either side, we have a little end table that has some USB outlets built in. There's also a little USB outlet up on the wall there. No shortage of places to plug in your devices here in these rooms. On this wall, we've got a fun piece of art that has some different logos for the different things here at Wilderness Lodge, everything from the cabins to Whispering Canyon. Honestly, I kind of wish they would make this piece of art into a pin set, like a mystery pin box set. I would absolutely love that because I'm a big fan of Wilderness Lodge. Now, in between the 2 beds, there's another small nightstand there. Again, USB outlets built into that. They really did kind of stick those everywhere throughout the room here. Behind me, we have a dresser with several drawers, and then the TV there above it, as well as the USB outlets built into the wall. We have another desk here in this room. Really cool lamp too, where it kind of has the lamp wrapped around the rock. I guess you could even say that lamp rocks. Yeah, that was terrible. Let's just pretend I didn't say that. And then we have a wardrobe over here instead of a closet, we've got a couple hangers in there, a small closet rod. You can see there's a little rod for hanging clothes in there. And then we have some shelves and space in there. So a lot of storage space tucked into these rooms. And this room also has a balcony. This balcony is shared with the master. That's worth noting if you are staying here and have kids or something staying in this room. If you leave the doors open, they can cross over from here to the master. So we've got a few chairs and a little table down there. And again, the view of Bay Lake kind of through the trees there. It's easier to see in the morning whenever the sun's rising over there, but still a really, really pretty view, especially if you get up on those higher floors. Now this room, you may notice, doesn't have a bathroom en suite, but if you look right across the hall, we do have another bathroom. So that's kind of the bathroom that belongs to this bedroom, and it's also the kind of public bathroom for the rest of the room. We've got a single vanity in here with, again, lots of storage down below, a decent size counter up there, and then pretty good lighting all the way around. I really like this mirror. I'm not sure why, but I really like it. It's got the little ledge all the way around. Just looks really cool. We do have a walk-in shower in here that once again has that rainfall style shower head as well as the removable shower head. And again, the individual shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, and then a small bench in the corner there. This is about the same size as the shower in the other bathroom. And then over here, the artwork above the toilet, you may notice, not so hidden, but definitely a Mickey. Really cute Mickey head in the wood there. And then going down this hall, we have some photos of some construction going on. Looks like some woodwork, felling some trees and moving some lumber. Of course, again, relating back to the story of the resort. And then as we round this corner, this is where you'll find that door we saw outside at the very beginning of the video. This is your second entryway to the room. So it does come in here into a little hallway right outside of the master. Now the master bedroom here, we've got a walk-in closet when we first come in. And that walk-in closet has a barn door that closes with a full-length mirror on it. And inside there, we've got several places to hang your clothes. We've got some drawers and little cubbies there, as well as some extra blankets and a pillow. And then the room itself, very spacious master bedroom. Absolutely beautiful. We love it. The chair is very comfortable. I have tested that out. And there's a little end table there. We've got a piece of art here showing the different totems in the main lobby of Wilderness Lodge and comparing the heights and things like that. It's really fun that they put those little touches in here to kind of tie it back to the main lodge. In this room, we do have a king size bed. Underneath the bed, again, we have that under the bed storage for luggage. Not that you really need it here because you got all the walk-in closets and stuff, but it's still there. And then each side of the bed has a little nightstand with drawers in it, and there are some plugs up above those nightstands, but they do not have USB outlets built in. So you can see over there, but if you're looking for USB outlets, don't worry, there are some here in the room. They're just across the room on the desk, and also on the dresser, huge dresser, right below the TV. They've got some USB outlets there as well. And they do have a couple little windows here that look outside there. They're kind of fogged up right now, but what we really like is this door that lets us out onto the balcony overlooking Bay Lake once again. And again, this is the shared balcony with the bedroom next to us, so something to keep in mind. Now the master bathroom here in this room is pretty big. On the far side, we have a soaking tub that does have jets on the bottom. Not exactly a jacuzzi, but it is a jetted tub there, and those are really nice. It's even got the little shower head built in there, so I guess if you wanted to bathe in this tub, it's a little easier. And we've got the windows over here looking over the lake, and we even have another little balcony here, but this one's really small, so I'm not sure you'd really do much. It's kind of really tiny balcony out there. If you want to just go out there and stand, I guess you could. And then we have a walk-in shower over here, really big walk-in shower with the detachable shower head on the wall, as well as that rainfall style shower head. Again, the individual shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, and then a bench seat down there. And then our vanity in here, we have a double vanity, lots of drawers and storage down below. They've even got a scale. I don't know who wants to try out the scale while you're on vacation eating all the Disney food, but it's there if you want it. And then we do have a fancy mirror with a TV built in. That's why they give us a remote control, so we can watch TV while we're getting ready in the morning. And there you go. You got the Disney World Today channel. You can see the hours and the temperature and all that good stuff. So right there built into the mirror. And then over here behind us is a small little room. It's got a separate door on it where you'll find the toilet and another piece of art there on the wall. Couldn't find any hidden Mickeys. Thought there might be one there in the leaves, but no luck. We'll head out here and show you just what the living room looks like with the sleeper sofa pulled out. Alyssa came through and pulled that out for us. And you'll be able to see there's still plenty of room. It is kind of a huge room. So even if you have 12 people, you got this bed pulled out, there's still plenty of room in here for everyone, even if you're sleeping 12 people in this grand villa. So that's going to wrap up our tour of this 3-bedroom grand villa here at Copper Creek Villas and Cabins. We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, give us a thumbs up down below and leave any questions you have about the villa or the resort in the comment section below. While you're down there, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you get notified whenever we go live or post new videos.
For even more information about Walt Disney World and the Walt Disney World Resorts, head to herewiththeears.com. We've got lots of fun information there. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.